All right, welcome back to the channel. So today we're out with the Losi DBXLE, the original. My daughter's running the Xmaxx, my ultimate basher. Chloe's out with the Big Hoss, Trax is his new release. And my son's back out with the Typhon on the tires that Deontay told us to run. So we're gonna see if those tires made a difference. So we're gonna get out there and rip. I did take the DBXLE and modified some tires for it. I got the DuraTrack lockups on it. I want to see how it's gonna handle. See if I can run this on the DBXLE 2.0 and the Creighton and the Outcast, all my fifth scales, to see if these tires will work. So we're gonna get out here and do some bashing before the sun goes down. Definitely handles better. This RC doesn't turn, but does turn right, just doesn't turn left. Last time I had this one out, I crashed it, the first and only time. So let's head over to the dirt and see how these tires do. I did have to modify the tires. They're for Xmaxxes, so you got to drill them out. It's an easy modification. And this was a bind and drive sale last Christmas is when I bought this RC. I can already tell handles way better with these tires on it. It's got just enough grip not to slide. Now I did notice that the back hits. On hard landings, the rear tires will hit the wing, but I'll modify it. I just got to trim the wing a little bit. Looks like they added some dirt here for us. The Losi jumps pretty well. Losi is got a big race heritage behind it. Not a lot of air control, but this rig doesn't have a lot of air control. For $600, I couldn't pass this one up last year. So how are the tires working? Good. Just good? Looks like they added some more rocks here too. Oh, they made a nice slope this way. They literally trimmed it, so we got a good jump going this direction. It's like a tank landing. Tell you what, the tires made a huge difference. These belted tires. First time she's running a Xmaxx. She broke the Max, so I figure she can't break that one. If I can get the turning right on this. Ooh, that was right on that front wheel. That was a hard landing. Now I do have hot racing hubs on the front of this one. I put the hot racing hubs when I broke one of the hubs the first time out. Oh, shut down. I got no trigger. Oh, it sounds like the pinion came off. That sucks. What's that? Yeah, the pinion fell off. Oh, it just went back. Just slid back. So I'm gonna pause the video and go grab some tools so I can get it tightened down. I'll be right back. All right, so the Haas finally broke an axle. It's jammed up in there. So get the battery disconnected. And I don't know, you've been breaking a lot of axles lately. But it is what it is. We'll have to order an axle for that now. I don't have any Haas parts. Haas has been good to us, so now her Max is broken and her Haas is broken.
All I have.
You were jumping it, weren't you? Yeah. Turn off the radio.
It is off.
The radio's off? Yeah. Okay, put them in the car. We'll have to take it out when we load up the other cars. I just came to get tools and figured I'd grab the other car. So it's getting dark. The other car's broken down there. I just came to get some wrenches at the car. So I did change out this diff. There we go. See, now it's not doing the dog walk. Now it's just wheeling, which is good. That's much better. I loosened up the diff. Still a little tight, you can feel it, but definitely nothing like it was. Yeah, see? Now I can hit the trigger and it goes straight. I don't know where it went.
Why, what happened to it?
So the DBXLE is over there, the pinion slid. Oh yeah, wow, that was a big rock. These low RCs, they hit rocks like the Typhon. Yeah, see, that's so much better. you can tell right away that the diff is diffing out instead of spinning. Peanut's right in the way. Oh, I'm watching all the other RCs run around. Daughter already broke the Haas, so I'm gonna get the DBXLE put together and she can run that. I'd give her the Creighton, but the Creighton is way too fast for her. She'll hurt somebody with it. Even though the DBXLE is big, it's slower. Still kicks out a little bit, but for the most part, it's going straight. Yeah, see, now I can wheelie. Wheelie in the dirt instead of spin.
The car is more controllable.
I'll put this one together so you can run this one, Chloe. The pinion slipped.
Oh,
That's correct.
this test is way more controllable.
Yeah, but
I
you
don't know why, but pretty nice.
How did it slip?
We're running out of daylight.
Are we gonna get this racing?
What race? You want to get whooped? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Is that what you're in a hurry to get whooped?
Yeah, you're gonna get whooped.
I'm not getting anything. I'm gonna tear you up. 6S to 6S.
Oh,
Wait, they're both success?
Yeah.
Good.
which ones are these batteries?
Mine is gonna win. Let me just. Yeah.
Peanut's like, I gotta warm up.
No.
Oh, hopefully I brought that size. That's a big screw. No. Dang, I don't know if I have that size here. Maybe, I don't think so though. I don't like this O-ring slipping off this tool now.
Fresh battery against half.
But
almost
let's
dead
see if it's
battery.
this one. Yeah, that'll work right there. Handy little tool set right here to have, because it all kind of fits in the bottom of this thing. By Extreme Precision RC, Deontay gave me these things, and they work really, really good. See, that's got to go back on.
I'll just run it in the grass.
You just run it here.
I don't want to run it.
It's not very fast. You just got to be careful. It doesn't have really good brakes.
That's why I'm gonna run it in the grass.
No, grass is worse. It's better here
How's it better here?
because there's less people here.
Okay, it's not like I'm gonna go that fast.
Doesn't matter. You can play here with us.
Well, if I get it dirty, I'm gonna have to clean it. I don't want to clean it.
It's already dirty. I've already been running it here.
Okay, then you have to clean
And
it.
it's got the new tires. You're going to have to help clean anyway.
I'll have to clean my Haas, my Max, and my E-Reload.
You got all those broken parts now.
We only got two.
Yeah.
Two's not that much.
This one. All right.
How does this thing work?
Same as yours. So, let's get to playing. Everything should be working again. He's sitting here ready to race with those tires Deontay told him to get. Almost half the internet told him for me to buy these tires. So, see how it hooks up in the dirt. Don't have the slash out because it's still broken. But 6S to 6S, A scale to A scale. Hey, get out of the way, both of you. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't tell.
You didn't never let off. It's upside down now. I was destroying you. EXB for the win, Dad for the win again.
No.
What do you mean no?
A roll race?
Is it faster now?
Yeah, and more, no.
It's not faster?
It is faster.
It should be faster.
More controllable.
It should be. It should be faster and more controllable. I can't believe the two little girls are both driving fifth scales.
My steering, it goes like this, and then it turns. It's never straight. You want to get a roll race?
No.
And you're gonna get whooped.
No.
Control. No.
When we walk to the grass, we'll do that, but we're not doing it in here. There's not enough room. I want to play on this jump because they changed the jump. Took away what? I keep... I almost took my daughter out. That was scary. I should be able to backflip off this. I'm glad she finally went. My daughter's been rude to everybody today. So much better with the diff loose. Oh, didn't make the double. Ah. What? Oh. And this is why my kids wear masks. So if people walk up, they can put their mask on.
I'm just saying, your car's not gonna even make it to the race. It's gonna break.
It's not gonna break, it's the EXB. Extreme Bash. That's what Arrma calls it. So. Extreme Bash, I'm extreme bashing it, no?
You did like 5 flips.
I really like this Creighton ExB again. I think if I drop the diff fluid to 10K, or if it breaks in, it might be working good, because it's working pretty good right now. Be able to send this off Big Bertha soon. That was pulling to one side when I hit the trigger. Oh yeah, look at that. I can hold the wheel now. Much better. No? Did that pause in the air? You like that? I don't, see, you're the only one standing here not playing with your RC.
I was trying to get my
Oh, something cut out. Something locked up in the air. What happened? Did I break a diff? It literally in the air when I hit the trigger stopped spinning.
Oh, tell me it broke.
Something's locked up. Wonder if this motor died. Oh, that motor is hot. Yep, that motor is hot. I think that motor might have locked up. Which is weird, it didn't temp cut. Oh, that motor's pretty junk. Keep it rocking. That motor is extremely hot right now. I guess I should put on a fan.
There's no fan on it?
No, not on the motor. That motor is hot, but that's a 2200. And it's one of my old, it's actually the motor I got from Big Gap, A to Z. Well, we're gonna let this one cool down because it's extremely hot. Bashing it as hard as I was bashing it. I'm surprised it didn't temp cut though. I had the sensor wire on and I never turn off the temperature cuts, which is weird why it didn't temp cut. But if all that happened is the motor failed, I'm good with that. Because it's definitely a fun RC again. Turn this off. Unplug my booster.
Want to use the Xmaxx?
No? What are you doing, Chloe?
Okay.
Huh?
I want to go to the grass.
So let's go to the grass now.
Yeah.
So yeah, go straight now. You.
I can fix the steering.
I said it goes straight because of the tires, not because of the steering.
Oh yeah, my
Same
steering
tires
was going to the left.
Uh-huh.
Fix that.
Well, there's just one dial. It's not very hard.
It like a little bit to the
Well, that's what the steering trim is for.
Oh, the dog.
Yep, dog taking a poop on the grass.
somebody's gonna have to run into that.
Don't run in that spot. There's probably poop or pee there. How do you like the DBXL?
Noise, but fun.
It's just like the gas one you ran. It's the same car, except electric. Why are you in their way? You're driving slow, blocking everybody.
Well, am I supposed to drive fast?
No,
Am I supposed to drive slow?
just go play. Stay out of everybody's way. Have fun. Sounds like the gear or something. What's that noise? Bring it back.
I can't.
Oh, gear fell off again. You better go get it.
It's heavy.
You can pick it up by the tail and walk it back with the front wheels down.
you're beating that.
What do you mean no way I'm beating that? That thing's a sled. It does look like it's going faster. Does look like the tires are working. Let me see it. Sit here, you haven't even been playing with it. Slipper. Wonder if it's got a slipper. Feels like the slipper's slipping. Definitely a lot better. Yep.
What now?
It's got traction now. Goes straight as an arrow. It's making noise though. Look at that. Straight as an arrow. I think it might beat the Slash now. I think it'll tear up the Slash on 6S.
That's what I was saying.
Yep. This thing's straight as an arrow now.
Do you like it?
I wouldn't say that I like it. It's definitely better. Definitely fun to play with.
Oh, there you go. It's fun to play with.
Let's fix this pinion again. Gonna have to Loctite it, I guess. That thing's making gear noise. You should make sure there's no rocks in there. I hear the gear making all kinds of noise. Oh, that thing's chewing up that gear. It's literally eating the gear. Oh, the mesh is away from it now.
Should I go put it back?
No, I'll put it closer, but it's been making noise for a while and you didn't stop running it.
I didn't know.
Well, you could hear it. It didn't sound right.
Well, you expect me to know how this car sounds like?
Well, all cars. You should be able to tell when gears are grinding, no?
I never had a gear, I never had a gear broke.
Well, it's not broken, it's just grinding.
Well, I never had a gear grinder or whatever.
I wonder if this one's got a screw on the bottom. I think it does. What are you talking about, Pino? You're talking the whole time. What? What's wrong now?
I told me to check something, but I don't know what to check.
You said the fan was unplugged, which it is. It's just sitting here instead of plugged in. So when you were cleaning it, that's why it's getting hot and sounding funny. Is it still on?
My car?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's still on.
I don't know which way this goes. Goes that way. So it was even backwards.
I don't know how you got your finger right there.
I don't know if the EXB is gonna work. It's been sitting for a little while now. Yeah, it's back to normal. Motor just got really, really hot. I do have a Hobby Wing motor. I'll probably stick that in here. Motor sounds still a little damaged, but it'll probably go back to normal soon. As soon as it cools way down, time to throw some Game Changer fans on it, because that thing got smoking hot. It's still warm.
It's broken.
What do you mean it's broken? Came off again?
I don't know. When it came back, or once I put it back,
Yeah.
it started making noise.
So strip gear on the DBXLE, but the tires were fun. Xmaxx is still working. He didn't have the fan plugged in. This one needs a fan. The Diff seems to be working. Haas is broken, but we still had one RC left. Now she's dropping a very expensive remote. But there we go, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video.